What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. We finally got ourselves a new project truck. So I bought this 2008 Silverado single cab. I'm going to go ahead and be rebuilding this. It looks like the damage was probably from this side. I have everything else for the truck, but it looks like the damage was probably from the fender side, so that's why they went ahead and salvaged the truck. But luckily I do have a brand new fender, I do have the hood, I do have a brand new bumper, so we're going to be rebuilding this and hopefully wrapping it and customizing it all, so follow along. Alright, so the objective today is to go ahead and install this new fender. I went ahead and bought a brand new fender, so we're going to go ahead and install it. Alright guys, let me show you the inside. I'll give you a little montage of everything in here. But it's pretty clean. I mean, radio, these buttons here are a little worn out. I'm not sure if I can just repaint those or get new stickers for those. Maybe change the whole radio in its entirety. This, I don't know why this is taken apart here. There's some other wavy stuff here. This is not fully installed, so I think they had an aftermarket radio here and then they just slapped this one on before selling it. So but all this can be fixed. This is not even put on right. This is all taken apart here, so these break off so easily. I just leave it like this. That's the inside. This, I think this is wrapped. You can tell that it's been wrapped right here. It's coming off a little bit, so this is going to be come off. I'm going to take this off and wrap it same color as the truck. This I like how they did paint this. On mine there's a little trim ring here, so I don't know if it's only the LT models that have that, but I like it. Maybe I'll put a little trim of the wrap, whatever color I wrap it in. Here I purchased the one that has the fog lights, so I'm going to be replacing this. This is the headliner here. Not too bad. It's not sagging or anything, so I probably won't change it. It does need to be cleaned though, you can tell here. All that needs to be cleaned. But other than that, the interior is pretty good. It just needs a good wipe down, a good clean. Seats are alright. I need to shampoo those right there. Doors need to be cleaned. This needs to be cleaned. It's all muddy here. So pretty much just a bunch of cleaning here. See? Seats are alright, in alright condition. No rips or anything. They just, of course, need to be shampooed here. Alright guys, as far as the outside, everything's pretty clean. There is a dent here, so I need to fix this. There's a few dents. Everywhere they circled, there's this little dent. I don't know if you can see that. There's a dent there. There's another one here. So all that can be repaired. There's a little bit of scratches here, so that's why they circled it, but fix that. A little scuff here that can be fixed. Seems like this truck was lowered. I'm not sure what lowering kit it has, but it's a lot lower than my truck because I have not lowered that one. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you post your questions, your comments below. In next video I'm going to be installing the bumper and get the whole front end done. That way we can get started on all the body work. So you guys are going to be building this with me, so let me know in the comments what you guys want me to do, what color you guys want, all that good stuff. Alright, see you next time.